class, we have studied about fire precautions and fire safety rules and internet safety. Let's continue with the lesson.
Accident can happen anywhere. We must also ready to deal with them. We should know about the basic care to be given till a doctor help is available. The immediate help given to injured person till doctor's care is available is known as first aid. Next is first aid. These are some general guidelines for treating accidents depending on the severity. Immediate medical help should be taken till the doctor arrives. It is always important to consult a doctor once the basic first aid is given. Next is we should follow these instructions in case of burn. First one is run cold water on the burnt area. Apply antiseptic cream or lotion on the affected area. You can also apply some coconut oil. If burn is severe and bristles are formed, then do not prick the blisters. Pour some cold water on the affected area. Next is first aid for the fracture. A fracture is caused when there is a crack or a break in the bone. Sonu was playing football in the park with his friends. He was not wearing proper shoes. While kicking the ball, a pointed stone hit his foot. In this process, his right leg got hurt. He experienced sharp pain. Soon, the area of injury turned blue and he could hardly move his leg. It is not easy to find whether the bone is broken or not. If the person is in severe pain while moving the injured part, then he might have broken a bone. And if you think that the bone is broken, then do not allow the person to move the injured part. Take him to the emergency ward of the nearby hospital. Sometimes during an injury, the joint swell up and becomes very painful. This is known as sprain. An elastic bandage can be wrapped around the joint to prevent it from any movement. Care must be taken to not move the fractured part as it may lead to dislocation of the bone and severe pain. For example, if the arm is broken, tie a splint with bandage or with a piece of cloth to prevent further dislocation. Finally, the person should be taken to a hospital for proper examination. Call the ambulance by dialing 102 to get the immediate help. Next is first aid for animal and insect bites. The bite of dogs, monkeys and some other animals can cause very dangerous disease called rabies. The bite should be repeatedly washed with soap and water and antiseptic should be applied. The patient should then to be taken to a doctor. In case of poisonous animal bite, the poison may travel through the blood and affect the heart and the nervous system. A tight bandage should be tied just above the wound to prevent the poison from spreading. The patient should be then immediately rushed to a doctor. Next is insect bite. In case of an insect bite, remove the sting by scraping the affected area of the skin. Wash the area with water thoroughly. Apply baking soda on the sting area in case of bee bite and vinegar or lemon in the case of wasp bite. Wasp is a small insect. So next one is first aid for wounds. Treatment of minor wounds such as cut and scratches can be done at home. Wash your hand with soap and water. Wash the wound well with soap and water. You can also use an acid antiseptic solution to clean the wound. Take care to remove dirt or it may lead to infection. If wound is bleeding, apply ice on it. This will help to stop the bleeding. Cover the wound with clean bandage. If the wound does not heal and the patient develops fever, take him to a doctor immediately. In case of deep wound, the patient should be taken to the doctor immediately after cleaning the wound.